Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to send to back. So for example, I will insert objects. You can go to library browser and I will insert batch labels. And the second, insert the kitchen labels. So you can see the kitchen label will be set in the front of the batch label. If you want to send to back these kitchen labels, you can select the label and then click the draw order tools in the bottom here, view draw order, and then you can click these icons to send to back the selected object. So the kitchen will be sent to back. I will select again these objects, and then you can click view draw order tools, and then click these icons to send to back. Okay, that's it for a basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to send to back. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.